Racing just is started. We have King Eagle, true to form, moving upon the outside. Platinum Lens in the middle portion, break the ice. Rushing up is No Day, is lost near at hand. Flow Joiner comes next, Zarangke. The next online now is Southbound, moving upon the outside. See that running by the rail now is entry number 7, and this one is Precious and Cool. Rushing up, play the music while Mutya ng Pasig is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have True to Form by over a length and a half, and in second is Near at Hand. 2 lengths further back in third. Moving up now is Platinum Lines. Break the Ice is down on the inside, and on the outside now is No Day is lost in the middle portion is Flow Joiner. Arangke, King Eagle, Precious and Cool, play the music. Mutya ng Pasig, see that, while Southbound now racing in 13th, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have True to Form by only 3/4 of a length lead. About to throw the challenge now on the outside is Platinum Lance as they swing for home. True to Form moving up, Platinum Lance, King Eagle likewise joining them. We have Platinum Lance followed by King Eagle, True to Form, and finally it's going to be Platinum Lance, King Eagle, then comes True to Form. Number 7, Precious and Cool. No Day is lost. Number 9, Play the Music for your Super 6.